Hello everyone. So this will be a very quick tutorial about just showing how we can add like some animation to the dashboard, like these circles, for instance, to indicate the status of the agent, also flags of the countries, or basically anything else. So let's get started with for instance, for the flags, let's see, I have data, for instance, here for some countries in the last 3 months data. Let's see. So for instance, here I have like France, Iran, that doesn't have flags there. Okay, so we will be using what we call scripted fields. Okay, so we will navigate to the stack management and the index patterns. So we go, for now we will go to the Wazuh alerts index pattern. So we'll go scripted fields. By the way, the same applies to Kibana. You will have scripted fields there. Okay, so we can see here that I already created this field that I called flag, which is of type string. Then I have this very basic script that's mainly what it does. It searches the field geolocation, country name, the value of it, and then just return the flag. And the flags, we can get them from any emoji what is that emoji website. Okay, so for instance, here we want to add the one for France. We can add France, then we just find the flag here, just very simple copy, and then just change the value that we return here, paste, and the country is basically gonna be France, the value. We can do the same with Iran, so we go with, I think it's with a capital I. Just we search for the country name, go to the flag, copy, and change the return value, and that's it. If it doesn't save, by the way, you make sure to always refresh the index pattern. Okay, so if we go back to our dashboard now, which I have already created, you see now that I have Iran and France. So basically I have applied the same for the agent status. I can show you, but the agent status has a different index pattern, which is Wazuh monitoring. So if you see the scripts, it's the same one. I'm just returning this circles that represent the indicator. So that was it. Thank you, and I hope you find it useful.